Nice to meet you. Today, for those who are using the Bybit exchange for the first time, I will explain the sign-up process step by step. I will explain it very easily, so please follow along slowly. First, if you sign up using the link below the video you are watching now, you can receive a lifetime 20% discount on Bybit trading fees and various bonuses. So I recommend signing up through the link below. First, I will show you how to create a Bybit account. If you click the link below the video, you will see the Bybit sign-up page. If you look at the left side of the screen, you can see the fee discount and various bonus benefits applied. To create an account, please enter your email address or mobile number. Next, please enter your password. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be at least 8 characters long. For the referral code, please enter BB333. Then you can receive a lifetime 20% Bybit fee discount and various bonuses, so please make sure to enter this code before signing up. After checking the agreement box, click the Get My Welcome Fits button below. Drag the puzzle piece to the right to match it. Please complete the email or mobile verification, enter the verification code. Once you complete these steps, your Bybit account creation is finished. Second, I will explain how to complete Bybit KYC verification. To use various functions on Bybit such as deposit, withdrawal, and trading, KYC verification is required. Since this KYC verification step includes facial verification, we will continue on mobile. Please search for the Bybit app on your mobile device and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Press the Sign Up Login button below, and log in with the account you just created. Once the login is completed, for KYC verification, press Verify Now in the center. First, select your nationality. After checking the agreement box below, press Confirm. Next, proceed with ID verification. Among the various document types below, please select the ID that you have and verify it. In today's video, we will verify using a passport. Now place the passport information page inside the camera frame, and take a clear photo without light reflection. Next, proceed with facial verification for identity confirmation. Place your face inside the camera frame, and follow the instructions by nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Once you complete these steps, the KYC verification step will be finished, and the KYC review will take about 1 hour. After a short time when the review is completed, the KYC verification will be completed. Third, I will explain how to set up Bybit security. Security settings are essential to keep your account safe. Please return to the Bybit PC screen. Click the Account button on the left menu, and select Security for security settings. Most people set up security using Google Two-Factor Authentication. Click the Settings button next to Google Two-Factor Authentication. Please complete the email or mobile verification. Then the Google Authenticator setup pop-up will appear. Now search for the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Next, press the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scan screen appears, scan the QR code shown on the Bybit PC screen. Then in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code will be generated under the name Bybit. Check this 6-digit code, and return to the Bybit PC screen. Then in the Google Code input field, enter the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator app. If you click Confirm, Google Authenticator will be activated, and the account security setup will be completed. Today, for those who are using the Bybit exchange for the first time, I explained the sign-up process step by step. If you have any questions while following the video, please leave a comment anytime. I will reply quickly. Your likes and subscriptions give me great support. Thank you for watching.